third year first honors for welcome remarks.
Guest of honor, Honorable Consul Leo Tito Ausan Jr., our accommodating school principal, Dr. Renita Resvicio, Chairman of the Board of Trustees, Mr. Alexander Macabanding, and Mr. Balindong, our Administrative Officer, Shaina Pumbayabaya, other school officials, beloved parents, dear faculty and staff, fellow students, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. May peace and the blessings of Allah be upon us all. Let me begin my task by extending my warmest greetings to each and every one of you in this very significant occasion. The International Philippine School in Jeddah's 31st Recognition Day. This is a significant occasion because we are given the chance to gather here in this favorable time to witness a memorable event. It becomes more significant because we have with us today very important personalities to grace the occasion. What is Recognition Day all about? Recognition Day means more than an annual event wherein we try our best to look as good as we can in our school uniforms, come up in stage with our proud parents, and receive our hard-earned awards. Recognition Day marks another stepping stone in searching for our success and a day of rejoicing for having completed another successful year of sterling accomplishments. Recognition Day is a day for honoring achievers like us and those who studied their brains out this school year. This is the time that we reap the fruits of our labor, the time when we were sleepless, studying for our exams, quizzes, and homeworks. In this event, we also recognize not only the students, but also the undying efforts of our teachers, the guidance of our ever-supportive parents, and of course, the secure and safe environment with complete facilities provided by our dear alma mater. Without these, this day wouldn't be possible. IPSJ is an institution that provides the opportunity for students to excel and hone one's hidden potential to be of par excellence. It does not only give quality education, but it also does an exceptional task in molding future leaders of tomorrow. There are many reasons why you should be proud of in going around the school wearing your IPSJ school uniforms and IDs. First, IPSJ has produced a lot of graduates with honors and professionals in different fields. One example is my sister, Nusayba Elmuti, who is a cum laude graduate of UP Diliman in Business Administration. Other UP graduates include Annalie Camille Rodrigo and Faisaleh Abdullah. Let's not forget Jintana Yanta Musol, who will also graduate as cum laude in UST. IPSJ has produced a number of doctors and lawyers. Namely, we have Dr. Khalil Ginumla, Dr. Husneya Mamutara, Dr. Ronald Tolentino, Dr. Muhammad Abutazil, Dr. Rania Bagjin, Dr. Siti Aisha Banyaga, Attorney Marvin Guerra, Attorney Patrick Santiago, and a lot more engineers, architects, teachers, and nurses. Let's not forget about Pete Santo Domingo, who ranked the 5th place in the ECE board exam, and Shadi Alji, who ranked the 10th place in the board exam. Finally, the greatest achiever and product of IPSJ, the ambassador to the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia and Yemen, His Excellency Ambassador Ezedin Tago. Time flies fast, and it will not hurt to envision ourselves as someone like them in the near future. Who knows? I may be Dr. Hasna Mudi in the future. The second reason why we should be proud is the mere fact that this is IPSJ's 31st recognition day, meaning this school is the first and oldest Philippine school in the kingdom. And this is a proof of its 31st year of persistence and strength, despite the challenges that it has experienced in the recent years. Lastly, I believe in the saying that what started right ends right. So without further ado, I would like to start this occasion right by expressing my sincerest intentions to welcome each and every one of you in this remarkable affair. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to IPSJ's 31st Recognition Day.
May we acknowledge the presence of one of our Board of Trustees, Mr.